How to make lipstick at home. If you have had it with searching for the ideal shade of lipstick, it is time to learn how to make it yourself. It only involves a few ingredients you already have in your kitchen. You can wave goodbye to all the dangerous substances present in the lipsticks you purchase from the market. This video will give a rundown of various natural DIY lipstick techniques that you may use to create your unique hues using only healthy constituents. Making lipstick with beetroot. You can use beetroot and beeswax to create a natural lipstick, which you can use if you prefer dark shades. Betanin and viola xanthan are only two of the pigments that give beetroot its vibrant appearance. Applying it to the lips and letting it sit for a while can help lessen discoloration and protect lips from sun damage. Ingredients: beetroot juice, beetroot powder, glycerin, vitamin E, beeswax, empty container. Method: pour half a cup of beetroot juice into a boiler. After you've turned on the heat, wait for the juice to boil for 2 minutes. As soon as it begins to foam up and bubble, remove it from the heat and let it sit for 15 minutes to cool down. Pour the juice into the container, and add 1 tablespoon of beeswax and 1 tablespoon of glycerin to the mixture. Stir well. Cover the bowl with a piece of wax paper and then place it in the microwave for 1 minute. Add 2 drops of vitamin E to the mix and give it a nice stir. Pour the mix into a vessel, then put it in the freezer to freeze for 7 hours. Making lipstick with fruit. If you choose to make lipstick out of these teeny tiny fruits, it will give your lips a lovely berry shade due to the high pigmentation content of the fruit. Ingredients: raspberries, mulberries, beeswax, olive oil, vacant container. Method: throw in a few mulberries and raspberries in a glass utensil. Give it a minute in the microwave. Use the back portion of your spoon to crush and mix the berries. Use a separating cloth to extract the liquid from the pulp. Then, put 1 tablespoon of beeswax and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Microwave the mix for 2 minutes and empty the mixture into a vessel. Let the mixture in the freezer to freeze for 12 hours. Making lipstick with petroleum jelly. Almost every household has a container of petroleum jelly that sits unused for long periods, and you can extend the life of lipstick that is about to expire by applying petroleum jelly. Ingredients: petroleum jelly, old lipstick, old container. Method: toss the bits of an old lipstick into a basin after chopping it into thin slices. Pour 1 tablespoon of petroleum jelly into the basin. Let the bowl stay in the oven for 1 minute. Empty the mix into a vessel. Let it stay in the freezer for 12 hours to freeze. We hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe and ring the notification bell for more buying guides and information across all kinds of products from Buy One Get One.